Hey guys, welcome to Brazil, specifically the Amazon. Here's Liege Neves from Traveling the World. And we are here right now, actually, matter of fact, with many Americans, Europeans, finding out the new things in Amazon, exploring, learning a little bit about animals, everything you imagine. Right now, we're just walking through here, finding some fish, and I'll share with you guys a little bit of the view. It's stunning. I'm glad. I love when foreigners come over here and want to learn more about our culture and learn about the fish, and the dolphins, and all the fauna and everything. So, want to share a little bit with you guys here. Here we have our expert guide, and tell me great stuff, like unique information about Amazon, some tricks you might have discovered, something else.
Well, I'm Kenrick. This morning we wake up early to explore the area. So the idea in paddling to the little creeks is to surprise some animals, especially birds early morning. Everything is a mystery, you know. Wherever we go, we find some new things. And like that we continue exploring, but like how I said, while you navigate, anything can happen anytime, right? Well, the Amazon is big, it's hard to see everything. So the idea of exploring more and more, deeper and deeper, is better, right? Well, as a native, I grew up in the jungle, you know, that's how I learned my jungle skills. And every day is a new experience, right? So the only way to experience the Amazon is living inside.